Here's the second setup sheet that we will be using for training tutorial number 5. As you can see from our tool list, we will be using a 3/4 spot drill, a 5/16 drill, a 3/8 tapping drill, and a 1/2 drill. As you just saw from the setup sheet, that was the tool list of the tools that we're going to be using for the next set of operations. But before we do that, we need to create and rename toolpath groups. Ensure that all the folders are highlighted and go up to Toolpath Group 1 and select it. Change this to Setup Number 1 and click somewhere off of it. Go back over top of it and right-click to go to Edit Selected Operations and then Change NC File Name. It should have your default NC file name from what we used at the start. Change this to Setup Number 1 as well and select OK. As you can see, this changes on all of our operations to setup number 1.nc. Go up to the machine group number 1 and right-click. From here, go to Groups and select New Toolpath Group. Under the New Toolpath Group, change this to setup number 2-front, and then click somewhere off to save it. From here, go along the bottom and select WCS, and select Plane Manager. We are going to rotate the part to be on the front plane. Select the Equal button. As you can see, our WCS, Construction Plane, and Toolpath Plane have all changed to the front. Select OK. From here, select Isometric and Fit to the screen. In the next operation, we are going to spot drill all 3 of the holes. Simply go to Toolpath and select Drill. We are going to choose the 3 entities on the top of this part. If you are having trouble seeing it, hold down Alt and select S. This will shade the part for you. Select all 3 holes. Once you have selected all 3 holes, select OK. Drill will be selected, and we need to establish the tool. From here, we are going to choose tool number 4, which is our 3/4 spot drill. In the comment, we are going to type in spot drill, the 3 holes in the front plane. From here, we're going to go to the left-hand side and select Cut Parameters. We are going to change Tap to Drill Counterbore. You can change the dwell if you wish to, but I'm going to leave mine at 0. Under the linking parameters, ensure that clearance is absolute 1, your retract is absolute 0.1, your top of stock is absolute 0, and your depth is going to be absolute negative 0.2075. You can also get the depth by using the depth calculator right here. Scroll over to the left side and select Tip Comp. Turn Tip Comp off. From here, select OK. Now in order to change the value of the middle hole right here, because we want to drill deeper because it's a bigger hole than the 2 beside it, simply go over to our last operation, which was operation number 8, and select Geometry, 3 points. From here, select the proper point. Select point 2. You can see that this is the middle hole because it has an X on it. And right-click. From here, select Change at Point. Scroll down and highlight Depth. We're going to change the depth of this hole to negative 0.27. Once this is done, select OK. Select OK again. You'll notice that our toolpath has now become dirty. Regenerate dirty operations, highlight all the folders, and do your backplot and verify. Select Play. Your part should look as shown. Exit out of the Verify window and toggle your display off. To finish up these holes, select Toolpaths and go to Drill. Select Entities and select the two smaller holes on the top of the part. Select OK when finished. Go to Tool, select Library Tool, Filter, and select the drill. Make the tool diameter equal to 5/16 and hit Enter on your keyboard. From here, select OK. Select tool number 137 or the 5/16 drill and select OK as well. Again, this will allow the drill to appear in your own personal library. Scroll down to the comment and make the comment, drill the two holes. From here, go to the left-hand side and select Cup Parameters. Change the cycle from Drill Counterbore to Peck Drill. On the left-hand side, then go to Linking Parameters. Make sure that the clearance is 1, the retract is 0.1, the top of stock is 0, and the depth is going to be absolute negative 1.25. From here, go to Tip Comp and ensure that it is turned off. Select OK. Since we just went ahead and drilled those two holes, what we're going to do now is tap them. Go to Toolpaths, Drill, and select the last button. Select OK. Go over to Tool and select Library Tool. From here, we're going to go to Filter and ensure that we have our tapping tool selected. We're going to make the tool diameter equal to 3/8 and hit Enter on our keyboard. Select OK. Choose tool number 224 or the 3/8-16 tap. From here, select OK. As you can see, we are on tool 8 of our own personal library of tools. In the comment, type in tap the two holes. From here, on the left-hand side, select Cup Parameters and change the cycle from Peck Drill to Tap. And under Linking Parameters, these values should remain constant, we just need to change the depth. So top of stock, retract, and clearance should all be OK. Change the depth to -1 and hit Enter on your keyboard. Also, make sure that Tip Comp is disabled. I can already tell it's disabled because it has a caution sign here saying that it is. Select OK. When this is done, we're going to focus on the middle hole now. Go to Toolpaths and select Drill. From here, select Entities and select the middle hole. When this is finished, select OK. Ensure that your toolpath type is Drill and that your point geometry, you've only selected one. Go over to Tool and select Library Tool and select Filter again. From here, change the tap to the drill and make the tool diameter equal to 0.5 and hit Enter on your keyboard. Select OK when this is done and choose tool number 162. Select OK. From here, insert the comment, drill the middle hole. And then go to Linking Parameters. In your linking parameters, change the depth to -0.55 and make sure that it's an absolute value. Go to Cup Parameters and change the cycle from tap to chip break. Once this is done, select OK, after ensuring that tip comp is also off. The last thing to do will be to counterbore the hole. Select Toolpaths and select Drill. We're going to select last, as it will grab the point defined from our last operation, and select OK. From here, make sure that drill is selected and move over to the tool. Select Library Tool and Filter. We're going to choose a flat end mill as opposed to our drill, and make the tool diameter equal to 0.5. Select OK, and choose tool number 290, and select OK. This will be represented as tool number 10 in your own personal library. Insert the comment. Counterbore the 1/2 inch hole in the front plane. From here, on the left hand side, select Cut Parameters. Change Chip Break to Drill Counterbore and the Dwell to 1 second. Go to Linking Parameters. In the linking parameters, make sure that the depth is absolute negative 0.55 and hit Enter on your keyboard. Ensure that Tip Comp is also disabled. Select OK when this is finished. After you've gone ahead and finished this, select All Operations under Setup Number 2 Front by shift-clicking, right-click on Setup 2, edit selected operations, and change NC file name to Setup Number 2, and hit OK. From here, all the folders that are highlighted will now change to Setup Number 2.nc. Highlight all the folders. From here, go to your Verify. Select Play. Your part should look as shown. Exit out of the Verify window and toggle your operations on and then off.